So we have our mix here. Everything is mixed up with the breadcrumbs just to add a little bit of weight to it. Now the aim is to pipe the things inside here. So what we're going to do is to take this. I'm using my hand because that's the best way to do that. But before we put this inside, we're going to put some salt in here and also have some leftover of this puree. I'll pour it in here, then use my hand to mix it inside. The aim is to get this down inside before we pipe in the middle. So make sure that you wash your hands. This is the salt. I'm pouring the salt inside now. Inside all the gravies. And then taking this stuffing inside as much as you can.
This is disgusting.
Inside this space. Yeah, some people say you should do it in a way that there's space on top for it to cook. So put that space if you can to enable it to cook. So I've piped in that and then put some also in the neck region. So the next is going to be to brush it with this, maybe, or just brush it with groundnut oil, or yeah, brush it with this, allow it to marinate. Then I can also use bacon. Some people use bacon. I can use bacon to wrap it around so as to keep the heat within and also not leak out any juice. So I'll try the wrapping and let you see. So if you're going the bacon option, this is how I think you should wrap it around the whole turkey. Then if you have the thread, you can tie it around. This will keep the juice inside, the heat, everything will be inside while you cook, you bake in the oven. And also the juice from the bacon and the juice from the mix will be wrapped up, and you get this smoky, beautiful, lovely kind of, thingy. So I don't know how you do yours. So what I'm asking you right now is, how do you do yours? Remember, the whole essence of my channel is to try some new things. So don't go up the top that, oh, you didn't do it the way you're meant to do it. This is the way I want to do it. This is the experiment I'm trying to do. I love to experiment with cooking. So this is my own method of doing the turkey. All right. So tell me in the comment box, how do you marinate your turkey? How do you put your turkey in for whatever you want to call it, the baking, the cooking, the whatever? How do you do yours? All right, this is my Christmas turkey, the Christmas turkey, going in the oven after some days. So I'm gonna cover up this now, let it to stay for a while, put in the fridge, allow it to stay. I think some people do this for 1 week. Oh, that's too much. Some people do for a few days, 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, 24 hours, 26 hours, 38 hours. That's up to you. So how long do you marinate yours? How long do you allow it to stay before putting it into the oven? And I'm not going to stop this video without saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. If you're watching this during Easter time, you can try this in Easter. Anytime you're watching this, you can try it. So from me, it's Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'm going to sign out on a good note that says, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Share this. Leave beautiful comments. It's Christmas. Be in the joyful mode. Please stop moaning. You that's saying, oh, whatever. I don't want to hear that, all right? Okay, just enjoy it. Tell me how yours was. And goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you.